At Stash, we protect data at the byte level regardless of where it's used, in or out of the enterprise. Data is no good without the system to use it on, so Stash also protects the system, giving enterprises a comprehensive way to get back to work after a ransomware attack. We'll discuss both components of the Stash total ransomware solution in this video. Stash protects data by encrypting individual files, storing multiple copies of it, and giving organizations a one-click way to restore data enterprise-wide. The Stash Secure solution works with existing workflows using standard Office applications. Users don't have to change the way they do business. With multiple versions and copies, getting data back is simple. Organizations can choose the data to restore, select which version to restore, and the Stash solution updates everything in the background with no user intervention needed. Let's say an attacker exfiltrates your data as part of an extortion attack. Because Stash encrypts files individually, an attacker with the actual file doesn't have access to the content of the file. All they see is this. No ransomware payments, no public releases of information, and no downtime. Stash protects the entire system by mitigating the loss and downtime of a catastrophic event. We do this by taking snapshots of a system, the operating system, applications, data, configuration, everything. We do this in the background on a configurable basis, with little to no impact on the end user. A typical workstation snapshot might take a few hours to create in the background. Users and their workflows are unaffected as we create the snapshot, compress it, and store it as an encrypted, sharded file in the Stash ecosystem. It provides a rapid way to get back up and running if the system is affected by ransomware or other corrupting attack, incident, or even misconfiguration. When something happens, Stash gives organizations an easy way to restore their systems. The organization can start their compromised system with the Stash recovery environment, a safe and secure mini operating system that downloads their system snapshot and restores it to their system. They simply log into Stash, select their snapshot, and click Go. Stash does the rest, downloading the snapshot, decompressing it, and then writing it to their system's hard drive. For a typical workstation, that takes about 2 hours total. Their operating system, applications, configuration, and data are back, saving days or weeks of reinstallations, reconfigurations, and data recovery time.